Rostec is the leader of civil and military industry in Russia. The alliance of education and industry adds 500,000 jobs to 1 million existing ones. The jobs, which one can be proud of. It's not about wages only, but a new quality of life. Rostec creates friendly environment for the development of employees, ventures, partners, and therefore the whole country. Rostec protects all the citizens of the country. The corporation conducts advanced defense projects. The best jet fighters, combat helicopters, optical systems and weaponry, as well as KAMAZ military trucks stand on guard of peace for Russia. The partnership based on trust and mutual respect guarantees success in future. International contracts and industrial alliances do not aim at bringing profit only. Their goals are not limited to making investments and paying taxes. Rostec creates the future of national industry. The future of Russian industry where the power of technology and deep knowledge lead to outstanding results. This is the future of Rostec, and it's coming.